Get ready to solve top 10 easy and simple questions. Riddle 1. What has teeth but cannot eat? Pecom. Riddle 2. Which table does not have legs? Vegetable. Riddle 3. What kind of dog never bites? A hot dog. Riddle 4. What man cannot live inside a house? Snowman. Riddle 5. What do tigers have that no other animals have? Baby tigers. Riddle 6. What is the smallest room in the world? Mushroom. Riddle 7. Which is faster, hot or cold? Hot, because you can easily catch cold. Riddle 8. Forward I'm heavy, backward I'm not. What am I?